Popular Jamaican TikToker Warcannon gunned down in Discovery Bay. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A Jamaican TikToker was shot dead in Discovery Bay, St. Ann on Wednesday night. The deceased has been identified as 35-year-old Derek Clayton, otherwise known as Warcannon. He was killed by unknown assailants just days after laying his 10-year-old daughter to rest. The murder, marking the latest in a string of recent killings of TikTokers, unfolded while Clayton was on his way home. Reports stated that Clayton was shot after exiting a taxi around 9:10 p.m. It's further reported that the public passenger vehicle had stopped near his residence where he was ambushed. He was reportedly shot several times to his upper body. He ran from the area, however he was found later suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds. He was assisted to the St. Ann's Bay Hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival. Investigators have not yet determined a motive and no arrests have been made. The killing has deepened the grief of the family already mourning the loss of a child. Just 4 days before his murder, Clayton buried his daughter Jade Lee, who passed away under heartbreaking circumstances following a freak accident weeks earlier. Jade Lee died days after being struck by a steel object during a crash on February 26, 2025. According to reports, she was heading home from school in the company of her classmate and the mother of her classmate. They were all on foot walking along the Discovery Bay Main Road. A truck exiting premises of a hardware store collided with a coaster bus, causing an object to strike the two children. After the freak accident, Jade Lee was rushed to hospital where doctors found no serious injuries in an X-ray result and only gave her pain medication before sending her home. In the following days, her condition worsened, making her incapable of sitting up or walking. She was examined a second time on March 6 and again discharged with no severe diagnosis. Her health continued to deteriorate. On March 13, she was finally admitted at the Maypen Hospital after her mother from Clarendon retrieved her. However, Jade Lee died hours later. Clayton had been struggling to come to terms with the death of their daughter and demanding accountability for what happened. Clayton had been struggling to come to terms with her death and demanding accountability from the hospital. His sudden killing has now added another layer of pain and confusion to his grieving family.
Yo, everybody like the video and share it up. Because right now, watch out now, me pray justice to my little daughter right now. You see? Me pray justice to my daughter. I want to share the video to Andrew Holness. I want to share the video to Andrew Holness. Andrew supposed to get to me in space at 24 hours. In space at 24 hours, brother. Me pray justice to my daughter, dog. And if nobody no reach out to me, dog, me mash up the country. Me make sure tell you no, dog.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.